Islam is one of the most powerful religions in the world due to its massive and growing global presence. With over 2 billion followers, it spans continents and cultures, from the Middle East and Asia to Europe and the Americas. Its ability to reach people of different ethnicities and languages highlights its universal appeal. The religion is growing rapidly through both birth rates and conversions, especially in Western countries. This global expansion strengthens its cultural and political influence. Muslims living in diverse regions still practice the same faith, showing its unity and consistency. Mosques and Islamic centers are now found even in remote parts of the world. This wide presence enhances Islam's role in shaping societies and international discourse. Despite the cultural diversity of Muslims worldwide, there is a deep sense of unity in Islam. Followers believe in the same God, follow the same prophet, and perform the same core religious practices like prayer, fasting, and pilgrimage. This shared identity forms a strong global community known as the Ummah. When major Islamic events like Ramadan or Hajj occur, they are observed by Muslims worldwide in complete harmony. This collective experience binds people across borders. Even in times of political or social struggle, Muslims come together to support one another. This unity is rare and powerful in today's divided world. It gives Islam strength not just spiritually but socially and politically as well. One of Islam's greatest strengths is the perfect preservation of the Qur'an for over 1,400 years. It is considered by Muslims to be the literal word of God, revealed in Arabic to Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. Unlike other religious texts that have gone through multiple versions, the Qur'an has remained unchanged. Millions of Muslims have memorized it entirely, maintaining its authenticity across generations. The original language is still used in prayer and recitation globally, ensuring consistency. This preservation is seen as a divine miracle and a sign of the religion's truth. The Qur'an's clear guidance on life, law, and ethics attracts scholars and seekers alike. Its unchanged form reinforces the power and reliability of Islam. Islam offers not just a religion but a complete way of life. It provides spiritual guidance, moral principles, family laws, economic rules, and social conduct. Muslims are taught how to eat, dress, speak, and even conduct business ethically. From cleanliness to justice, the religion offers structure in every aspect of daily living. This holistic approach helps Muslims live with discipline and purpose. Many people are drawn to Islam for this very reason: it gives direction in a chaotic world. The teachings are practical and relevant, regardless of time or place. This comprehensive nature makes Islam strong and adaptable to all societies. Historically, Islam has contributed greatly to global knowledge, science, and culture. During the Islamic Golden Age, Muslim scholars advanced mathematics, medicine, astronomy, and philosophy. Their works were translated into many languages and studied by scholars around the world. Islamic art, architecture, and literature also left a lasting legacy. Cities like Baghdad, Cordoba, and Cairo became centers of learning and innovation. The Islamic world preserved and enhanced ancient knowledge when Europe was in the Dark Ages. Today, that intellectual heritage is still respected worldwide. This influence shows that Islam is not only spiritually powerful but intellectually rich. Islam is the fastest growing religion in the world, with thousands converting every year. In Western countries like the USA, UK, and France, Islam sees high conversion rates, especially among women and educated individuals. People are often drawn by the clarity of its message, simplicity of belief in one God, and discipline in life. The religion's logical structure appeals to those searching for meaning. Testimonials of converts show how Islam transforms lives and brings peace. In the digital age, access to Islamic teachings has become easier, helping spread its message further. This ongoing acceptance shows Islam's enduring strength and relevance. Islam promotes justice, equality, and compassion in society. It commands fairness in dealings, care for the poor, and equal treatment of all people. The concept of zakat, charity, ensures wealth circulates and helps reduce poverty. Islam prohibits racism, tribalism, and exploitation. In the early days of Islam, slaves, women, and the poor were given rights and dignity. These values still attract people who are looking for fairness in society. The religion speaks against oppression and stands for human dignity. Its strong ethical framework makes it a powerful force for good in the modern world. This moral clarity enhances its global appeal. While often misunderstood, Islam actually grants women spiritual, economic, and social rights. Women in Islam have the right to education, property, and inheritance. The first convert to Islam was a woman, Khadija, and many early scholars and narrators of hadith were women. Islam emphasizes respect for mothers and daughters, making them central to family and society. Modesty and protection are encouraged for both men and women. Today, many Muslim women are successful in education, business, and public leadership. Converts often mention how Islam empowers them with dignity and identity. This balance of rights and responsibilities strengthens Islam's social foundation. Islam's structure of daily worship creates discipline and consistency in a believer's life. Praying 5 times a day builds time management and self-control. Fasting during Ramadan promotes empathy and patience. Giving charity trains generosity and social responsibility. Pilgrimage teaches humility and unity. These acts are not just rituals, they shape a moral character. Muslims are encouraged to live with purpose and mindfulness every day. This level of devotion and spiritual commitment gives Islam inner strength. It forms individuals who are emotionally and morally strong. Such discipline is a major reason for Islam's enduring power. Throughout history, Islam has faced challenges: colonialism, wars, propaganda, and discrimination. Yet, the faith has endured and grown stronger. Muslims continue practicing their religion even under oppressive conditions. In fact, adversity often leads to a revival of faith and identity. The religion's internal strength and support from the global ummah help it survive. Young Muslims around the world are returning to their roots with pride. Islamic knowledge, culture, and identity are being preserved and revived. This resilience shows that Islam is not only powerful in numbers but in spirit. Its ability to thrive against all odds proves its divine strength. One of the core reasons Islam holds such power is its ability to provide deep spiritual fulfillment and inner peace. The belief in one God, regular prayer, and strong moral values help Muslims stay grounded in times of hardship. The Qur'an offers comfort and wisdom that directly speak to the heart. Many people who convert to Islam often describe an overwhelming sense of calm and clarity. Islam's guidance helps believers find purpose and stability in a chaotic world. This spiritual depth strengthens personal resilience and emotional balance. The focus on remembrance of God, dhikr, creates a constant connection to the divine. This connection is what gives Islam unmatched emotional and spiritual strength. Islam's belief system is powerful because of its simplicity and clarity. The central message of Islam, "There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad, PBUH, is his messenger," is easy to understand and powerful in its impact. There are no complex rituals or philosophical confusion. It focuses on clear moral values, such as honesty, justice, and compassion. The 5 pillars offer a simple yet structured path for a meaningful life. This clarity attracts people who are searching for truth without unnecessary complication. It offers certainty in a world full of confusion. Islam doesn't just teach belief, it guides action. That makes the religion strong, practical, and spiritually fulfilling. Another powerful aspect of Islam is the timeless relevance of its teachings. Though it was revealed over 1,400 years ago, the principles of Islam still apply to modern life. From justice and human rights to economics and family life, the guidance remains practical. The Qur'an addresses human nature, which never changes, making its lessons forever useful. Muslims use its teachings to navigate digital life, global challenges, and moral dilemmas today. It speaks not only to past generations but also to modern minds. This eternal relevance shows its divine wisdom. Islam's ability to adapt without losing its essence is a sign of its lasting power. I hope you like this video. Goodbye.